the teardown on the bread. It's the morning after, so what do I think about it? I'd use a recipe the next time because I've got to reproduce something, so you need a recipe to do that. It smells fantastic. I fried a bit, put some Vegemite on it. Tastes great. It's just got a little bit of olive oil with it. I'll prove it for a lot longer. The reason that I proved it for such a short period of time was the fact that without a recipe it was a bit wet and I was having trouble handling it. So that said, if I get the mix right, obviously the rises in the kefir, that's not a problem at all. So yeah, it's great. It's the first sourdough bread that I've ever made. I've never made a sourdough bread before, probably because I was a bit impatient and didn't want to hang around for it, but because I've been mucking around with the kefir, I thought, oh, I'll just chuck a bit together and see what happens. So that's a really, really good result. If I do another couple of loaves and get it right, I'll make a video of the process. And yeah, thanks for watching.